Hey guys, Jared here again, aka the Laughing Man. It is a beautiful, sweltering, like 98 degrees outside, so I'm trying to hide in my garage and stay cool, and it is not working. But I got a package in the mail, and I want to open it up and get ready to start installing it. So this is going to be probably a 3-part video. First, I'm going to unbox this package, and then after it's unboxed, I will do the rear and then the front of the bike. If you can tell from the title of the video, this is going to be a package from TST Industries. So this should be every single lighting component that I need for the 2024 Yamaha MT10. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed. I'll get you guys turned around and let's take a look at what comes in this package. Alright, so I apologize for my table. I couldn't find a cover for it. Just cleaned up, made a little bit of room in the garage. But so we're going to go ahead and open up this package. I like this. Warning, products inside may cause excessive envy. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a look at what comes in here. Some packing paper. I already removed the packing slip. So this looks like it's going to be my new so this looks like it's going to be my new license plate mount. Alright, so these are going to be my new front. Oh, let's not lose anything. So these are going to be the new front turn signals. So these are the same ones that I currently have on my FZ07, sitting right there. Also, these ones have a white halo around them, or at least it's supposed to. So we'll see how all that works. Oh, no. So this is the new low profile license plate bracket. This is going to be the tail tidy to close up the hole that the other one's in. These are going to be the plug and play wiring harnesses, I believe. Yeah, so this here is for the halo lighting effect on the front lights. So this is going to be the new low profile light so that I stay legal. I've got a couple of stickers in here. And this here is going to be the new all-in-one replacement brake, tail light, and turn signal with flashing. So there's supposed to be a button, yep, right here. So when you install it and you push this button right here, it changes the different types of brake mode and everything. So if you hit it, it'll flash, stuff like that. So, but this should just be a simple slide-in replacement. And then I believe this is the plug and play harness for that. So this is just a really quick unboxing of everything that you get with the TST Industries lighting kit. This is the kit that they put together, so you don't have to buy every part individually. It's just in one kit. You grab it, you get a discount, and you go. Unfortunately, I don't have a discount for them. So if you're military, you can reach out to them and get a military discount. Alright guys, so that is what comes in the TST Industries Hyper Pack. So like I said, if you buy their Hyper Pack, it's everything all together. And it's a 10% discount, I believe, from the site. And then, of course, if you apply any other additional coupons that you can find online, that'll also go towards it. They also have another, I can't remember if they call it a hyper pack, but they've got like a crash protection pack that you can get for your motorcycles as well. This is not just for the MT10, but the FC10, most of your FZs, your R1s, stuff like that, Kawasaki. So there's a bunch of different bikes out there. So check them out, see if they got something for your bike. Like I said, it just makes your turn signals brighter and gives you the good LED look, which the bike already has LEDs, but I don't like the big fender. I don't like the big fender thing, so I'll remove that. And then, yeah. So like I said, this is just a quick unboxing, quick look at see what comes inside of it. I'm excited, so the next video will actually be me installing. I'll probably do the rear lights first, and then I will do the front turn signals. So stay tuned, guys. Appreciate it. Bye.